Data collection is important for detective work. Ever wondered how the weather people know if it's going to rain cats and dogs tomorrow, or be all sunny and bright? The secret behind this cool trick is something we can call data collection. You're in a magical forest, trying to figure out how many different kinds of trees there are. You'd start by looking at one tree, maybe a super tall and strong oak, writing down what it looks like, then moving on to the next one, a beautiful cherry tree full of flowers. You'd keep going until you've seen and written down every single tree in the forest. That's data collection, looking, writing, and gathering data for solving the mystery. Think of data as pieces of a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece of data is like a single puzzle piece. On its own, it might seem a bit confusing, but when you gather enough pieces and start putting them together, it's like creating a big, colorful puzzle where each piece helps us see the whole picture more clearly, just like in a fun storybook adventure. Collecting data can be super fun. Imagine asking lots of questions like, "What's your favorite color?" or "What makes you happy?" You can also go on exciting adventures like strolling through the forest and asking each friendly tree, "Hey, what type are you?" It's like being a detective, but instead of solving mysteries, you're discovering cool information all around you. It is also all about seeing and noting things as they happen. This is like quietly watching the trees in the forest, writing down their features, and using that to figure out what kind of tree they are. Trying things out is another fun way of doing data collection. It's all about changing one thing to see how it affects another. This is like planting different types of seeds in the forest and watching how they grow in different conditions. So, what exactly is this data we keep talking about? Data, in simple terms, are facts, statistics, or pieces of information that we collect for reference or analysis. It's like the breadcrumbs that lead us to the answers we're looking for. There are various ways we can collect data. One of the most common methods is through surveys, where we ask people questions to get information. This could be as simple as asking your friends what their favorite ice cream flavor is, or as complex as a nationwide survey asking people about their lifestyle habits. Method is through observation. This is when we watch and record what we see happening. For example, if you're trying to find out which bird visits your garden the most, you might sit by your window and keep a tally of the different birds you see. Can also collect data through experiments where we test out theories and see what happens. If you've ever done a science experiment at school, then you've collected data. Accuracy of this data collection process is crucial because it forms the foundation of our data collection. The better and more precise our data, the more reliable our predictions and decisions will be. You see, data collection is like the bread and butter of detective work. It's the first step in solving any mystery. And the more data we have, the closer we are to uncovering the truth. So the next time you're trying to solve a puzzle or make a decision, remember the magic of data collection.